ahead of President Putin's visit to India on the 4th and 5th of December, Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov held a press conference and he touched upon the various aspects, beginning with the fact that he stated that India-Russia ties should not be looked at from the lens of standard diplomatic protocols, but they should be looked at from the perspective of both the countries having deep historical ties. So that really sets the agenda for what the visit is going to be about and all that's set to unfold when President Putin meets with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And of course, Dmitry Peskov also addressed a whole host of questions on the key issues with respect to India-Russia ties and geopolitical tensions as well, with the United States putting pressure on India for stopping its energy purchase from Russia. He stated that Russia considers these tariffs illegal. They're not bound by a WTO framework. He also stated that we need to figure out, Russia and India need to figure out mechanisms to increase trade that's mutually beneficial. And he stated that we should not let other countries interfere and we should not succumb to others' pressure. He did mention that India is a sovereign country and it has taken decisions in that regard as well. It has protected its national interest. On the other point about what's expected to be on the agenda, well, S-400s and acquisition of S-400s by India is on the agenda. Other than that, the Sukhoi 57, he also said that they are the best planes in the world. That talks around that is going to be on the agenda as well. The acquisition of small nuclear reactors, co-development of jets and JVs in the development of jets, that will also figure as far as these particular talks are concerned. Trade, remember, is an important matter given the fact that Russia and India have a humongous trade imbalance, with Russia exporting more to India than India exports to Russia, and that is something that will also find a mention, at least at the highest levels, he said, and Russia is going to look at how to sort of narrow the trade imbalance, whether that's going to be via the imports of more agricultural products, by imports of more pharma products. That remains to be seen, but he did mention that Russia acknowledges that we understand India's concerns. He said that. On, of course, the issue of energy, he said that we have seen a little bit of deficit when it comes to energy, but we are not succumbing. He did say that there are sanctions against Russian companies, but we're finding ways to not let the volumes down, and we are doing everything that we can to ensure our oil gets bought in the world.